Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Shopify Analytics. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To use Shopify Analytics, firstly, simply log into your Shopify account at admin.shopify.com and click on Analytics right over here. And now in your Shopify admin, you can see your overview of sales, traffic, customers, and then you can also customize your dashboard by adding reports, sales behavior, marketing, and setting date ranges to backtrend, analyze marketing effectiveness, and also understand customer behavior for better business decision. Use filters, comparisons, and explore custom reports even with Shopify QL for deep dives and integrate with tools like Google Analytics for a complete picture. As this is a brand new account I have, so as you can see, I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.